Good morning, traders, and this is my S&P day trade setups for today. So we ended up with a little bit of a quiet day yesterday, but there's a big but here. We are at a significant level. So if you look to the left, you'll see we've got a swing low here. We've broken through this swing low. This is the next swing low. After this, our next swing low is pretty much up there. Okay, it looks like an attempt at a double top, but again, and I keep saying this, the trend is up. You're looking for opportunities to buy. If we look at the 3 hour, just get this to the middle. I've got a bit of a gap in the data. The trading station was down early this morning, but you can see the buyers are stepping in here. So there are buyers coming in. There seems to be value somewhere in this region here. Just want to keep that level there. We can delete the block. And just running to the left, and you'll see there is the level that we're flirting with now. Below that, we have that area there. Okay, and which pretty much comes back to the gap. So, in saying that, we can come straight down to the 1 hour, see what's transpiring here. And you can see if I continue looking to the left, I can keep putting levels in here. There's the most recent inside tail, and look where the buyers came in. Okay, so those are the levels that I'm looking at the moment. So we're a bit late with the video this morning, and European markets opening on 15 minutes time. It does look like in the pre-market buyers are stepping in here. This gap is still open. I'd much prefer to be buying a bit lower down, somewhere around 3194. But this 3,200 area has been fairly significant over time. So maybe that could be the area where we should be looking as well. Lots of noise in the market. I'm not even going to talk about the noise, just ignoring noise today. What we're looking for is opportunities to buy, and we'll do that on the 15-minute. Right now, we are bottom of range. You can see we have a clearly defined range at the moment. We are bottom of it. We've got a gap below, which is going to act as a magnet as far as I'm concerned. Wouldn't surprise me if we could see that close today. Would be nice to see it close today anyway. And then we pretty much more than likely trade this range for the balance of the week, unless something significant comes out in the data today or results today or tomorrow. And last thing on here, this range is pretty much 273 points for a 83 point risk. So you are going to get the opportunities to do, let's call it 100, well, 3-to-1 trades here on this at the moment. And possibly even higher if you've got tighter stops and you're trading off of 5 minutes as well. Okay, so for me, looking for opportunities to buy, this is a good area, just pre-market. So I think I'll just wait for sort of 9 o'clock European time. That'll give me an indication of what's going on. But I'm definitely eyeing this gap here. Any kind of pullback into the gap, if we blast through the gap, then obviously there's a massive area of support all the way down here at 3174. Okay, ultimately 3000 is your floor, and you can see there is so much happening here around the 3000 area. Oh, that's 3136. I think 3000 is further down. There's 3000 down there. That's the ultimate floor. I think so long as we're above that, trend is up. And that's pretty much where we had this attempt at the trend change, but that never materialized. Okay, no clear price action at the moment, really just range bound. And the last thing I just want to point out is we do have this very strong area of support down here as well. So even if we do have a blipsy down to the bottom here, I would expect the buyers to step in, find value there, and drive price back up. Okay, so if we do get above this 3235, your next stop is pretty much gap close. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Definitely looking for opportunities to buy, and possibly in this area, but I'd prefer to be further down here. Sorry, one last thing before we sign off here. Just want to get that trend line in, because you'll see that will coincide with the gap close as well. Okay, and if I put the one on the top like that, you see there's my channel. Okay, so anyway, guys, sideways motion, range, channel, doesn't matter what you want to call it, basically consolidation, waiting for something to happen. And even if it does drop to the downside, I think it's just going to offer a better value for a purchase. Okay, anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.